Indexing is the most common problem these days, and when you open Google Search Console, you will find out a tab named as crawled currently not indexed. And as a webmaster or as an SEO, this problem irritates us the most because we do content creation and we publish more and more pages in the website, not just for the sake of crawling, we also want them indexed, and of course we also expect ranking. But when you see the needle is not moving, we got furious, trust me. All right, so how we can solve this problem and how we can vanish these pages from the Google Search Console, let's find out. But before that, if you haven't subscribed the YouTube channel yet, make sure to subscribe it and let's figure out this problem. So right now, as you can see, there is almost 1.7k affected pages. So first of all, you need to understand crawl currently not indexed, you know, what that means is, and that means Google crawl the page, but Google isn't indexed yet. And there can be a multiple problem why Google isn't indexed the page. Maybe Google think that this page is not a quality page, or this page is not satisfying the user intent, or this page is not targeting the right keyword, or it could be any reason. As an SEO expert, we are not sure about it, not 100%. Only we can, you know, guess the problem, or we worked based on the idea, and we also work based on the experience. All right, so and another problem is, despite having a quality page, despite having quality content, or despite having targeting the right keyword, it's up to the Google maybe index the page or maybe not. So there are both cases. We, as a content creator or as an SEO, we can do anything, just some limitations are there. All right, so we have to check every page one by one, and we have to find out the reason. Maybe there is a tag, no index tag present in the page, and that is why Google isn't indexing it. Alright, so as you can see, nothing important when it comes to these pages, because you will find out these are extra pages, feed URL, and this page, as an SEO expert, we don't want to index. So we have to find out the legit page. So let me just open it and see. So this is also a directory page, and this is an image, and this is again directory page, feed page, so I don't think so there is any, and this is a tag, and again feed page. So there isn't seem to be a legit page or a quality page that Google isn't indexing. So let's just keep exploring. Maybe we can find this is a product tag, and yes, this one. Okay, so this is a blog post, I believe, and let's just where it is, where it is, where it is. Yes, so let's retrieve it. Okay, so the last time, this is also present in the sitemap, that is why Google crawled it. The last crawl is 26, and user declared canonical is this page, of course the right one. Now I have to see if there is a no index tag, or I have to confirm the page is indexable. Yes, the page is indexable no matter about tags. Everything seems to fine. So you have to check as an SEO, either this page is providing quality content or this page is targeting the right keyword, or we as an SEO or as a content creator, we we also include the images, right images. We also include a video where it is necessary. So that means we try to try to improve the page, and we try to declare, yes, this page has quality content. And after we make sure this page has quality content, we just need to copy the URL, and we can here send the request for crawling. And after that, again, this is the URL is not Google, so I can put the request by clicking on it, and after that the Google will be index that page. And other thing is I can pull up the page from the website that getting traffic, or that getting trust by the Google. So I have to internal link from that page to this one, and through that the Google crawler will travel to this page, and Google will also crawl that page, and the chances are higher the page will be indexed. Alright, you can also do that. And other thing you can also do that is if you can do it, you have to put it somewhere in the menu, because menu is the first thing that Google crawl, because Google crawler crawl the page from upper line to the bottom. So this is how you need to confirm some of the things while exploring that section. Is your page offering quality content? Is the intention is right? Is the keyword targeting is right? Make sure your pages isn't having keyword stuffing matter, or anything that confuse Google, or anything that make Google realize, yes, this page is not providing the quality content. And make sure the page is up to the mark in every way in terms of on page. Alright, so I hope you got the concept how we can explore this crawl currently not index, and how we can solve this issue. So if you have any question or any confusion, make sure to write in the comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.